Hello to all my friends out there. So I'm eating my packaged food down. I'm eating my stockpile down. So these are really good if you've never tried them. I'm going to stockpile more of these. So what I did is I fried one of my parked soy hamburgers I bought at Walmart. And now I want to add a few olives, because any kind of Spanish rice is good with olives, and then a little cheese, not too much. I could choose to use more hamburger. So this is going to be a pretty nutritious little meal for me, and a pretty cheap little meal. Okay, so I hope everyone is doing okay. So after you stockpile, life is cheap because you can just eat your stored food for a while. If you store enough, quite a while. I have some tea. So you heard Russian opposition Navalny was poisoned by chlorine esterase inhibitor, which is generally like a drug used in Alzheimer's. But evidently the drug has a toxic quality to it, and especially when someone is being poisoned while drinking tea. The Russians are bad. Remember a couple of years ago they poisoned the spy with the heavy metal of some sort? Yes. Doesn't it? Well, Russia has a long history of poison. Remember Rasputin? One of the ones that I'm still upset about, this is pretty good, is Max Spears was over there. You know, the famous psychic? He went over there somewhere in the Ukraine or somewhere over there. And basically, a lot of us think he was murdered by some kind of poisoning as well. I think they were trying to open some kind of portals or something. Oh my, I have butter on my... Okay, I'm trying to eat. So this is bad news. The poor guy is in a hospital in Germany. So I hope they can save him. I don't know anything really about this drug, but anything can be lethal. Evidently, the drug is lethal, I think, if used with alcohol, but they said all he had in his system, so I'll put a little of this cheese on my salad. This should be a pretty good little dinner, and cheap too. And it's enough, you know, tomorrow I can eat it. So it'll be interesting to see if the guy survived. The other spy, the other guy was a spy, but he survived for a little while, but then it killed him. So here it is. Basically, at this time, I think it's a real good idea to make your own food and drinks at home. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. These packages come in handy. And God bless you all.